Hey, it's Mike. Business cards are great, aren't they? But it's easy for them to get mislaid or simply end up on that sometime list on the corner of your desk. Now, there's an easy way to connect using LinkedIn and using a special QR code that links your new contact directly to your profile. And I'm going to show you exactly how that's done just here. So first of all, open up the LinkedIn app and then press the home button in the bottom left corner. Now go to the top of the screen and press anywhere in the search bar. That should reveal the QR code generator, which press that and, hey presto, you get your QR code. So whilst you can regenerate your QR code anytime you want, I do recommend saving a copy to your photo library or whatever, so you've got easy access to it as and when you need it. But above and beyond that, you may want to send it to someone, and you can do that via AirDrop or Messenger or whatever. But remember, you're only sending them the QR code. You're not sending them an invitation to connect as such. They would still need to scan it. So this will always be my preferred option, which is to present the QR code directly to your contact. They can then use their phone to either scan it with their camera app, or there's a scan option within the LinkedIn application as well. But that'll take them directly to your profile, and then, of course, you can connect. And then you're done. It's as simple as that. I hope you found this useful. If you have, please give it a like. Thanks for watching.